Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today, we have a very important topic. Today, we will talk about withdrawing money at the bank.
Yes, money is a part of our daily life. We use money to buy things we need.
We use money for food. We use money for clothes. We use money for travel.
Sometimes we pay with a card. Sometimes we pay with cash. To get cash, we often go to the bank.
Today, we will learn easy English words to use at the bank. We will learn how to ask for money from your account. We will also learn how to talk to the bank teller.
Don't worry. We will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences for A1 and A2 learners.
Let's begin. Banks are places where we keep our money safe. People all over the world use banks every day.
Yes, you can put money into the bank. You can take money out of the bank.
Taking money out is called withdrawing. This is an important word for today.
When you go to the bank, you see a person behind the desk. We call this person a bank teller.
We will also learn words like account, identification, and receipt. These words help you when you want to get your cash.
Identification means a document that shows who you are, like a passport or a driver's license. The bank needs to know it is really you.
Now, let's listen to a conversation. George is at the bank. Lily is the bank teller. George needs to withdraw some money. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I would like to withdraw some money from my account, please.
Certainly. How much would you like to withdraw?
I need $300.
Okay, I can help you with that.
Thank you very much.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport right here.
Thank you. Let me check your account.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your account is active.
That is good to hear.
Which account would you like the money from?
From my savings account, please.
No problem. Please enter your PIN on the machine.
Oh, okay. One moment.
Thank you. Please wait while I process the transaction.
Sure, no rush.
Here is your money, 100, 200, and 300.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I like to keep my records.
Here is your receipt and your passport.
Thank you for your help, Lily.
You are very welcome. Is there anything else?
No, that is all for today.
Have a wonderful day, George.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was the end of the first conversation. George was very polite at the bank.
Yes, he used phrases like, I would like to and please.
Being polite is very important at the bank. It makes the transaction go smoothly.
When you go to a bank, you should be ready. You should have your ID and know how much money you want.
In the conversation, George wanted to withdraw $300. That is a lot of cash.
Maybe he is going on a trip, or maybe he is buying something special.
He also used his savings account. Most people have a checking account and a savings account.
A savings account is for money you want to keep for a long time. A checking account is for money you use every day.
George also had to enter his PIN. PIN stands for Personal Identification Number.
It is like a secret password for your bank card. You should never tell your PIN to anyone.
Now, we will learn some important bank words. We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Practice makes perfect.
Yes. Every day you study, you get better.
Let's start with our first word, withdraw.
Withdraw.
Withdraw means to take money out of the bank.
Example 1.
I need to withdraw $50.
Example 2.
Can I withdraw money at this machine?
Example 3.
He wants to withdraw all his money.
It is the opposite of deposit.
Deposit means putting money in. But today, we focus on taking money out.
Withdraw is a very common verb. You will see it on ATM screens too.
An ATM is a machine where you can get money. You can withdraw money at the bank or at an ATM.
If you go to the teller, you say, I want to withdraw. If you use the machine, you press the button that says withdraw.
Now let's learn our next word, account.
Account.
An account is where the bank keeps your money.
Example 1.
I have a bank account.
Example 2.
My account number is very long.
Example 3.
She has no money in her account.
You need an account to use a bank.
Most people open an account when they start working. The bank gives you an account number.
You should keep your account number private. It is very important information.
There are different types of accounts. We talked about savings and checking.
When you withdraw money, the teller asks, which account? You must tell them the right one.
Now let's learn the next word.
Teller
Teller.
A teller is the person who works at the bank.
Example 1.
The bank teller was very kind.
Example 2.
I am waiting to speak to a teller.
Example 3.
The teller counted the money.
Tellers help many people every day.
They sit behind a window or a desk. They handle cash and documents.
Sometimes there is a long line to see a teller. We must wait our turn.
Tellers are experts at banking. If you have a question, ask the teller.
Now we will listen to the conversation again. This time we will go very slowly.
Please listen carefully. Try to hear every letter and every sound.
You will hear words like withdraw, account, and teller.
Don't forget to notice the polite words too.
Ready? Let's listen slowly.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I would like to withdraw some money from my account, please.
Certainly. How much would you like to withdraw?
I need $300.
Okay, I can help you with that.
Thank you very much.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport right here.
Thank you. Let me check your account.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your account is active.
That is good to hear.
Which account would you like the money from?
From my savings account, please.
No problem. Please enter your PIN on the machine.
Oh, okay. One moment.
Thank you. Please wait while I process the transaction.
Sure, no rush.
Here is your money, 100, 200, and 300.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I like to keep my records.
Here is your receipt and your passport.
Thank you for your help, Lily.
You are very welcome. Is there anything else?
No, that is all for today.
Have a wonderful day, George.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good job listening slowly. Did you hear the word transaction?
Transaction is a big word. It means a piece of business, like moving money.
Every time you withdraw money, it is a transaction. The bank keeps a list of your transactions.
This helps you see how you spend your money. Now, let's learn some more words. Identification.
Identification.
Identification is a document that proves who you are.
Example 1.
Please show your identification.
Example 2.
I lost my identification card.
Example 3.
A passport is a form of identification.
We often say ID for short.
At the bank, you must show your ID. The teller needs to be sure it is your account.
If you don't have ID, you cannot withdraw money. Always check your bag for your ID before you go to the bank.
My ID has a very old photo of me. I look very different now.
That is funny, Michael. But as long as it is legal, it is okay.
Now, let's learn the next word. Amount.
Amount.
Amount means how much money.
Example 1.
What is the total amount?
Example 2.
I want to withdraw a small amount.
Example 3.
He has a large amount of money.
The teller will ask for the amount.
You can say, the amount is $100. Or just $100, please.
Amount can be used for many things. An amount of water, an amount of food. But at the bank, it is always about money.
Now let's learn another word. PIN.
PIN.
A PIN is a secret number for your card.
Example 1.
Do not tell anyone your PIN.
Example 2.
I forgot my PIN number.
Example 3.
Please enter your PIN now.
Remember, PIN is a secret.
When you enter your PIN, you should cover the keypad. This keeps your money safe from people watching.
If you forget your PIN, you must talk to the bank. They can help you get a new one.
Now, let's listen to the conversation one last time. This time, we will listen at natural speed.
This is how people talk in real life. It might be fast, but you can do it.
Listen for the flow of the sentences. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I would like to withdraw some money from my account, please.
Certainly. How much would you like to withdraw?
I need $300.
Okay, I can help you with that.
Thank you very much.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport right here.
Thank you. Let me check your account.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your account is active.
That is good to hear.
Which account would you like the money from?
From my savings account, please.
No problem. Please enter your PIN on the machine.
Oh, okay. One moment.
Thank you. Please wait while I process the transaction.
Sure, no rush.
Here is your money, 100, 200, and 300.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I like to keep my records.
Here is your receipt and your passport.
Thank you for your help, Lily.
You are very welcome. Is there anything else?
No, that is all for today.
Have a wonderful day, George.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Fantastic. You listen to Natural English.
You are learning how to handle money in English. This is a very useful skill.
Let's learn a few more words before we finish.
Receipt.
Receipt.
A receipt is a piece of paper that shows what you did.
Example 1.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Example 2.
I keep my bank receipts in a folder.
Example 3.
The receipt shows the date and time.
Always take your receipt.
It is proof of your transaction. If there is a mistake, the receipt helps the bank fix it.
I have a lot of receipts in my purse. I need to clean it out.
Me too, Elizabeth. Now, let's learn the next word. ATM.
ATM.
An ATM is a machine for banking.
Example 1.
Is there an ATM near here?
Example 2.
I need to go to the ATM for cash.
Example 3.
The ATM is out of money.
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine.
It is like a teller that never sleeps. You can use it 24 hours a day.
It is very convenient, but be careful when using it at night.
Now, let's learn our last word. Balance.
Balance.
Balance is the amount of money in your account right now.
Example 1.
I want to check my account balance.
Example 2.
My balance is very low this month.
Example 3.
Does the receipt show my balance?
It is important to know your balance.
You don't want to spend more than you have. Checking your balance helps you save money.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
You learned many new bank words. Now it is time to review.
Review helps the words stay in your brain. Please listen and repeat.
Let's review today's words.
Listen and repeat.
Withdraw, Elizabeth. To take money out.
I want to withdraw cash.
Account, Elizabeth. Where money is kept.
This is my savings account.
Teller, Elizabeth. A person who works at the bank.
Speak to the teller.
Identification. Elizabeth, a document like a passport.
Show your identification.
Amount, Elizabeth. How much money?
The amount is $50.
PIN, Elizabeth. A secret number.
Enter your PIN.
Receipt, Elizabeth. A paper record.
Take your receipt.
ATM, Elizabeth. A banking machine.
Where is the ATM?
Balance, Elizabeth. Money left in the account.
Check your balance.
Excellent work today. You studied many banking words.
Now, Michael, do you have a story about the bank?
Oh, yes. When I was a young boy, I went to the bank for the first time. I had a small jar of coins. I wanted to open my first account. I was very nervous. I walked up to the teller. She was a very nice lady. I said, I want to save my money. She helped me count all the coins. Then she gave me a little book. It showed my balance. It was only $10, but I felt very rich. I still remember that day.
That is a very sweet story, Michael. Opening your first account is a big step.
Yes, it taught me how to save. Now I go to the bank every week.
I prefer to use the ATM. It is faster for me.
Both are good ways to manage your money.
Remember to practice these words. Next time you go to the bank, try to think of the English words.
Great job today. You learned many new words for the bank.
Now you can withdraw money with confidence.
Do you have your identification?
Do you know your PIN?
Thank you for studying with us.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time at World English Studio.